Today we're going to do a real quick tutorial on blurring in Photoshop. So the first thing you do is you come up here to get your Marque and kind of highlight the little area that you want. In this particular case, the reason I decided to make this video is I put some software up on a common auction site. So I needed to blur out some keys. So here we go. So I've got the Marque here, and you just go up here to Filter, Blur, Gausian Blur, and here you can adjust the intensity of that blur. Make sure you have what you need. It needs to be enough that nobody can decipher. Let's see if that works. Not quite enough, so let's go back to that tool and take it up a little more. There's a lot of ways to do this, but here you go. So then you hit Ctrl D and that deselects it. You can do that with everyone. That may not be quite enough. I mean, if somebody's real good, they can still see that that's 7s and maybe not. Well, there's other ways to do it, but this is really the easiest. Okay, hope that helps.